As China is gripped by the coronavirus outbreak, a concerned cat owner has come up with a creative solution to protect their pet. This cat's loving owner made a makeshift mask to protect it from coronavirus. The cat's owner cut eye holes for their furry friend in Xiaobian, Guangdong Province. Hearts were warmed as pictures of the feline started doing the rounds on Chinese social media. Pictures circulating on social media show the feline staring through two eye holes that have been cut into the human-sized surgical mask. One pic shows the black and white cat being walked on a lead with a blue full-size surgical mask covering its little cat face. It is not clear whereabouts the pictures originate from, but while they are somewhat cute and amusing, it would seem the human mask almost definitely was made as an accessory. The World Health Organization (WHO) has said there is no evidence to suggest pets can be infected with the new strain of coronavirus, which has killed more than 1,000 people and infected around 43,000 others worldwide. Despite reassurance that our furry friends are unlikely to catch the infection, other pet owners have come up with similar ideas. And sales of pet masks are rocketing in China. The well-protected kitty has proven popular on Chinese social media. And despite people's fear of contacting the virus, they did not forget their furry family. Share this story with your family and friends. Give hope, give love, give smiles. It's free.